Hi guys, it's your girl Lola. I'm back with another video. This is another a doll remake video. If you don't know, if you can't tell already, they did an excellent job. This is the FloJo Barbie Florence Griffith Joyner doll. I remember seeing this doll when I was younger in KB Toy Store, and I never got the doll, but I bought the doll used, and she came with her hair just pulled back in a ponytail. I put this outfit on because she was nude, so she didn't really come with anything. It just was the doll I bought used offline, and she is in excellent condition. And I said, you know what, I really want to remake her. Even the outfit that came with the original doll, I still didn't like the outfit because it really wasn't the true look. It was the kind of the aesthetic of a FloJo outfit, but I really wanted to give her a better outfit. So we're going to go step by step. I'm going to do her hair and her outfit, but I'm going to start with her outfit first. Be back with the next step. Okay, for the outfit, I'm going to use this purple do-rag, and I'm going to trace out the design for the outfit, and I'm going to hot glue it onto the doll's body. Okay, be back with the next step. To top off the outfit, I'm going to use these old Barbie tennis shoes that I had before, and a gold medal from one of my old Olympic Barbie dolls. So I'm going to be using both of these to top the outfit off. Okay. Last but not least, for FloJo nails, I will use this glitter glue stick to create the nails. Make sure you don't let the glue get too hot, so it can dry easy and quick, and that's how you can make the nails. Okay, be back with the finishing results. Ta-da! All done. Okay, let's start with her hair. Her hair, I just put her hair in braids and put it like a up and down style, like how FloJo always had it. I dipped it in boiling hot water and let it set, and sprayed some freeze spray on it, and it came out phenomenal. I just gave her some type of crystal earrings. I used the gold medal I had for her nails. I think her nails came out good. The red glitter hot glue stick, I think they came out phenomenal. And I did her outfit, and this is how her outfit came, and then I did her tennis shoes. I thought they came out so cute. So I really believe this is how the outfit really, you know, FloJo outfit really was, her bodysuit. And I embodied it. I mean, the other one was pink. The original outfit that she came with was pink, and that was not FloJo color. FloJo color was purple. And you know, I think I did good. And I used glitter for the what is this? For the it's not a thong. For the underwear part, I used glitter. Yeah, so I think she came out good. Leave a comments, did I do a good job or not? I think I did good. I'll be back with another video. Who would y'all like to see? What other celebrity inspired doll you'd like to see? I think I did a wonderful job. Anyway, it's your girl Lola. I'll be back with another video. Bye.